Hi everyone. Here I have a Broan model 678 fan light unit. We also make a model 679 and the grill and light install the same way. So I'm going to go ahead today and show how this light reflector gets installed into this unit. This is the light reflector right here. It's got holes in the center. These holes, one of these holes will line up to this stud here. So what you would do is you would grab your grill. The light reflector would get placed inside this grill first. Just like so. You would plug this unit in, and mind you that this unit is sitting on a table and not up in the ceiling, and this is just for filming purposes. So this screw will line up with this hole, and you would just go ahead and put the screw through like so, and you would take this acorn nut that came in the parts bag with this unit, and you would tighten this unit, and you would keep tightening this acorn nut until that grill would be nice and tight to the ceiling. To install the light reflector, there's two notches basically in this light reflector, and there's two notches on this light lens. You're just going to line the notch to the notch, and you're just going to push it up and snap it into place. So this unit will look like this when it's finally installed. I hope this video helps.